I just thought I'd show you guys a temporary pond that I built for my ducks today. I'm here in the ditch that's above, well, there's the penstock for the turbine. And I just scraped some of this dirt back with my tractor into a berm there, and I built it up with some logs and filled it with a tarp. And now it's filling with spring water. It's been filling for a few hours. And unfortunately there's a little bit of a leak right there. I don't know if it's probably like a hole in the tarp that's along this edge here. But you notice that the water is actually above the edge of the tarp over there. And the water pushes down on the tarp, which kind of creates a seal against the ground, not letting the water through. In fact, there's some quick installation flood barriers that use a similar method to prevent water from going through them. They use the weight of the water to prevent the water to go underneath the barrier itself. So ducks are pretty happy. They make a mess of everything, that's for sure. They knocked over my island. And it's deep enough for them to swim, which was kind of my goal. Previously I had a piece of plastic drop cloth that was right here in the yard. It was just a rectangle. You can kind of see the outline there. And they tore through it immediately, but I kind of knew that that was going to happen because it was some thin plastic. And previously we had, right where that green patch there is, a kiddie pool. They quickly outgrew the kiddie pool, and then this square pool was deep enough but not durable enough for them. Also looked kind of ugly in the middle of the yard. But this should last a little bit longer, at least until I'd like my dad to come up here and we can dig a trench there for a footer for a proper like concrete dam to make a small duck pond. And then we'll dig out some on the hillsides here. So, and we haven't had any water in this ditch for many months now. It's just, it dries up completely in the summer, especially this summer because we've had such a dry summer. Also, that's right there, that's all the water that I'm getting out of the spring. It's not very much. I mean, obviously it's enough to fill this duck pond over many hours since, what is it? It's 7 p.m. since noon today. I've collected that much water. What do you think, ladies? Huh? We've kind of named some of our chickens. That's Black Betty. There's 3 of them total. They're all named Black Betty. And then there's a Brown Betty, which is kind of like that, but a little bit older. Oh, there's the other Black Betty. And then there's a Browner Betty, which is like that, but darker. And then that white one there is one of the older chickens that we have. Her name is Betty White. How's it going, Betty White? Huh? Hi, Black Betty. And then there's one more Black Betty in here. All right, that's what I got. I installed some trim on the house today, and that's taking a very long time because I have to mill it up all myself, and then I have to paint it and then install it. And each window requires a jamb extension, so each window is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of wood, all, you know, custom cut. And then I have 13 windows, 13 times 8. It's a lot of pieces of wood and a lot of sides to paint, and each one gets 3 coats of paint, so it takes a long time to do that. All right, I'll see you guys around. Bye.